Hello students, welcome back to Future Foundation. Students, in this video, I will discuss question from complex numbers which was asked in JEE Main 2025 held on 29th Jan Shift 1. So let's start the video. Student, question is, let mod of Z1 minus 8 minus 2 iota less than or equal to 1 and mod of Z2 minus 2 plus 6 iota less than or equal to 2, where Z1 comma Z2 belongs to C. Then minimum value of mod of Z1 minus Z2 is. Here C represents complex number. Students, mod of Z1 minus Z2 is the distance between Z1 and Z2. Now let's understand first what Z1 and Z2 are. Students, mod of Z1 minus 8 minus 2 iota less than or equal to 1 represents the locus of Z1, which is interior or boundary of the circle centered at 8, 2 and radius is 1. Means Z1 will move on the circle centered at 8, 2 and radius 1. Z1 will move on the circle, right? Or interior of the circle as well, right? Z1 can be inside the circle or Z1 can be on the circle, right? That's why this inequality is involved. If locus of Z1 would be purely circle, then here inequality won't be involved, right? Now, similarly, mod of Z2 minus 2 plus 6 iota is the locus of Z2, which is again a circle or interior of the circle or the circle itself centered at 2 comma minus 6 and radius 2, right? So Z2 can move on the circle or inside the circle, right? Having radius 2 and center 2 comma minus 6, right? Now in the question we need minimum distance between Z1 and Z2. Let us understand how we can find minimum distance between Z1 and Z2 by figure. Okay, so let us draw the figure. Now let's say this is for Z1 and this locus is for Z2, right? This is 2 comma minus 6 and this point is 8 comma 2. Z1 is moving on the above circle and Z2 is moving on the lower circle. See, we have seen above that mod of Z1 minus Z2 is distance between Z1 and Z2. So if we are seeing distance, this distance or this distance, right? Or this distance, okay? Or this distance. But if we see the distance along the line joining the centers, and suppose Z1 is here and Z2 is here, then only distance can be minimum, right? So mod of Z1 minus Z2 minimum can be obtained along the line joining their centers, and which is equal to C1 C2 minus R1 minus R2, right? and R1 here is 1 and R2 here is 2. So C1 C2 is distance between the centers, which can be found by using distance formula, which is 8 minus 2 whole root over 8 minus 2 whole square plus 2 plus 6 whole square minus 1 minus 2 root over 36 plus 64 minus 3 root over 100, which is 10. So it is 7, right? So minimum distance is 7. 7 must be one of the 4 options. Option C is correct. Students, let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.